Breadstuff is a staple meals that has been taken in through humans for many thousands of years. It is produced from flour, water, and fungus and may be located in several types all around the world. Bread has come to be an international essential food items due to its dietary value, simplicity of manufacturing, and versatility. The past history of breadstuff can easily be traced back to historical Egypt, where it was to begin with, created over 5,000 years ago. The Egyptians developed a method that entailed grinding grains into flour and combining it with water to make money. This cash was at that point baked in stoves made coming from clay-based or rock. Bread swiftly became an essential food resource in Egypt and quickly dispersed to neighboring regions such as Greece and Rome. The Greeks introduced the idea of sourdough breadstuff, which entails fermenting the money along with natural yeasts before baking. During the Middle Ages, breadstuff ended up being even much more preferred throughout Europe as it was a low-cost and plentiful resource of fats for the working training class. Cooks began trying out with different types of flour such as rye and barley, which led to the production of new assortments of breadstuff. As international explorers began conquering other components of the world, they delivered their understanding of bread-making along with them. This led to the creation of new types of breadstuff such as naan in India, pita in the Middle East, and tortillas in Mexico. In modern times, bread proceeds to be a significant component of lots of societies around the world. In western-side nations such as France and Italy, breadstuff is still looked at an essential component of every food, while in Asia rice is usually swapped for breadstuff as essential food items. Despite its extensive appeal, there are issues concerning the health and wellness results associated with consuming big quantities of very refined white breadstuff. Many individuals are switching in the direction of entire grain alternatives, which include additional thread and nutrients. In verdict, breadstuff has ended up being a global staple food due to its long record going out with back thousands of years. Its dietary value combined along with its ease of development and flexibility has created it a necessary part of a lot of lifestyles around the world.